This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Welcome to your new home. This stunning home is located on an oversized lot with no back neighbors. Featuring 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this home has an open concept floor plan with high ceilings and tons of natural light. Large kitchen with plenty storage space and island. Great sized home office, secondary bedrooms and game room. Step into your backyard and find your own personal oasis. This lot has a large, heated, in-ground pool with tons of extra room to add an outdoor kitchen, basketball court or playground. Zoned to highly acclaimed KISD schools. Hurry and schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.